STAD 850s are the ultimate game changer when changing to LED from 1500-watt metal halide sports lights. STAD 850 LED sports lights are designed and manufactured to be a replacement for 1500-watt metal halide sports lights. Now you can replace 1500-watt metal halide sports lights on a one-for-one basis. STAD's light lower wattage use, high light output, voltage range, optics, and mounting options make an LED upgrade easy. STAD 850 has 4 different optical distribution options: 20, 30, 40, or 50-degree optics that match metal halide sports lights to distribute the light evenly. With 850 watts per light fixture, 160 lumens per watt, and operational voltage between 200 volts and 528 volts, STAD provides over 140,000 lumens to replace any 1500-watt metal halide sports light. LED reliability, a heavy-duty die-cast housing, and cooling fins to maximize heat dissipation make STADs the perfect no-maintenance replacement for 1500-watt metal halide sports lights. To learn more about replacing your 1500-watt metal halide sports lights, visit Access Fixtures or speak with an Access Fixtures lighting specialist today.